Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over 5 things you need to know before you get the IDPRT Thermal Printer. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to get this thermal printer in particular. Again, this is the IDPRT Thermal Printer. And so the first thing you need to know is that this thing doesn't use ink, okay? So it actually uses like thermal printing process to actually print onto the paper. So you don't need to buy ink, and we all know that ink is quite overpriced, isn't it? And the second thing is that this right here also can print on shipping labels. So as you see here, these are 4 by 6 inches shipping labels. And so you can peel them and then paste it onto an envelope or package instead of having to handwrite it or hand tape it. So before I used to tape my shipping labels onto packages, but now I no longer need to do that. The third thing you need to know about this thermal printer is that it's going to save you a lot of time, okay? So before I had a thermal printer, I was actually handwriting my shipping labels, and I was also taping my shipping labels. So that took a lot of time. Now all I have to do is get my thermal printer, peel off the label, paste it onto an envelope or package, and there you have it. The fourth thing you need to know about this IDPRT thermal printer is that it works for both Windows and Mac. I currently use this for my MacBook Air, and it's super convenient. And then the last thing you need to know about this IDPRT thermal printer is that it's very compact and portable. So I recently just went on a trip, and with that trip, I was able to bring this along with me compared to a regular ink printer. This is super compact, it's portable, it's lightweight, it doesn't take up a lot of room, and I'm still able to ship packages out when people order from me, even though I'm traveling. So there you have it, 5 things you need to know before you get the IDPRT thermal printer. If you guys have any comments, questions, let me know. I've had no problems with this whatsoever.